Hi students, now I am going to discuss one of the Python program to display the range of elements from an array. It is called slicing. Very first two lines of this program is non-executable statement which is not execute in the runtime. It is called a multi-line command. Multi-line commands are starting with 3 double quotation, here ending with 3 double quotation. Next line I am going to assign the values to array. Array name is A equal to, here the initialization itself I am giving the values, it enclosed with a square bracket, each element enclosed with a single quotation. The elements are separated by commas. Here A of 0th location S, A of first location A of second location R, A of third location A of fourth location B, A of fifth location A of sixth location N, A of seventh location A of eighth location N. So the total size of this array is 9, but it's vary from 0 to n minus 1, that is 8, 0 to 8. So next statement is a print statement. Before slashing, whatever values in that array it will print. Before this message will print, the cursor will come next line. Again print statement, I am printing the array A. So it will print as it is the array SARAVANAN. Okay, then this next line also print statement. After slashing, this message will display. Then control comes to immediate next line. Here I am using loop statement. The I value, that is 0 in A of the array, A of starting value is third location, A of third element to A of sixth element. Here I am mentioning the end 7. It won't print the seventh location, it will print up to 6 only. So A of third location to A of sixth location condition is true. Every loop statement end with a colon. So the I value is 0. So A of third location value, A of third location value, A will print and end within the single quotation. I won't give any blank space. Immediately the cursor will wait there only, immediate next column. Then control comes here, I value will increment 0 plus 1 and here A of fourth location, the fourth location value is V will print, the cursor will wait, immediate next column. Then control comes here, the I value is A of fifth location, is A will print, then cursor will wait, immediate next location. And now I value is A of sixth location value, is N will print, then cursor will wait, immediate next line. Now 7 means condition is false, it will work up to A of sixth location. So what is the output? A of third location value A of fourth location value B, A of fifth location value A, and A of sixth location value N. AN is the output. Okay, fine. The condition is false, control comes to immediate next statement. Now I am going to run the program. Fi is used to run the program. So the before slashing, the array values is N. After slashing, A of third location value A of fourth location B, A of fifth location A, and A of sixth location N. So the program is over. Kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon. You can get my new videos. Thank you.